online class. Today we are going to see the chapter Algebra. Today's topic operations of rational expressions. That means operations of rational expressions. We know the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we see multiplication and division of rational expressions. For example, P of x divided by Q of x, that is one rational expression, into another one R of x divided by S of x, that is multiplication of rational expressions. Same concept, P of x divided by Q of x divide R of x divided by S of x. ஒரே ஒரு important step இருக்கு. P of x divided by Q of x into, then taking reciprocal of second rational expression, that is S of x divided by R of x, that is division of rational expressions. Right. Now we see exercise 3.5. First division, 4x squared y divided by 2x squared into 6x z cubed divided by 20y to the power 4. First of all, we know the formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. That is formula. Also, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Right. Then 4 into x squared y divided by 2x squared into 6x z cubed divided by 20 into y into y cube, that is equal to y to the power 4. 1 4 is 4, 5 4s are 20, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. Then x squared cancel, then y cancel. Therefore answer 3x z cube divided by 5 into y cube. That's all. Second subdivision, p squared minus 10p plus 21 divided by p minus 7 into p squared plus p minus 12 divided by p minus 3 the whole square. First step, find the factors of p squared minus 10p plus 21 and p squared plus p minus 12. Right. First step, product of two factors are 21 plus 21. Then sum is minus 10. Right. Find out the factors. First step, 21. Factors of 21 are 121 is 21. 3 7s are 21. So find out the suitable factors here. Then minus 3 minus 7, that is minus 7 minus 3, minus into minus plus, 7 3s are 21. Then minus 7 plus of minus 3 we get minus 10. Therefore p minus 7 divided by p minus 3. Right. Next one, product of two factors are minus 12, then sum is plus 1, that is coefficient of p. Find out the factors of 12. 1 12 is 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. Choose the suitable factors. Then minus 3 plus 1, minus into plus minus, 3 4s are 12, 4 minus 3 1. That is the correct factors. Minus 3 plus 4. Then minus 3 in p minus 3 into p plus 4. Right. Next step, p square minus 10p plus 21, that is equal to p minus 7 into p minus 3 divided by p minus 7 into p square p minus 3 into p plus 4 divided by p minus 3 the whole square. Then p minus 7 cancel, p minus 3 cancel, again p minus 3 cancel. Therefore answer p plus 4. That's all. First one was the third subdivision homework. Next second one. Simplify. First subdivision x plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4y into 9x squared minus 16y squared divided by 2x squared plus 3x minus 20. As usual, then x plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4y into then 3x the whole square minus 4y the whole square. A square minus b square divided by 2x square plus 3x minus 20. Right. Then 3x the whole square minus 4y square. Sorry. Then 9x square minus 16y square is equal to a square minus b square. That is 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Next one, 2x square plus 3x minus 20 is equal to, here using the factorization method, then 2 into minus 20 minus 40, then sum plus 3. So x of the coefficient 1 and no problem. In case more than 1, that means 2, 3, 4, 5, any one. Multiply 2 into constant term, that is minus 40, then sum is plus 3. Find out the factors. Then plus 8 minus 5. Plus into minus minus. 8 5s are 40. 8 minus 5, 3. Divided by 2x. So in a 2. So divide by 2x divided by 2x. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. That is equal to x plus 4 into 2x minus 5. Last one. Then x plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y divided by x plus 4 into 2x minus 5. Then x plus 4 cancel. Then 3x plus 4y cancel. Then 3x minus 4y divided by 2x minus 5. That's all. Next one, second subdivision. First one. So the second subdivision la எல்லாத்துக்குமே factors find out பண்ணனும். எல்லாமே formula method or factorization பண்ணி factors find out பண்ணனும். First one x cube minus y cube, then 3x square plus 9xy plus 6y square is equal to, first one a cube minus b cube. We know the formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So x plus y, sorry, x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Then here taking 3 as common, 3 into x square plus 3xy plus 2y square. Then 3 into x square, 3x square, 3 into 3xy, 9xy plus 3 into 2, 6y square. Here also sum product is 2, sum is 3. Find out the factors. 1, 2 is 2 divided by x divided by x. So x last time y square is the term under, so x plus y, 3 into x plus y into x plus 2y. In the format x plus 2y, y ங்கிற term multiply பண்ணி shortcut யூஸ் பண்ணிடலாம். 3 into x plus y into x plus 2y. Next one, x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. So x plus y the whole square. Here a is equal to x, b is equal to y, that is equal to x plus y the whole square. Right. Next one, x square minus y square is equal to, that is also formula, a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. Then x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square divided by 3 into x plus y into x plus 2y into then x plus y the whole square divided by x minus y into x plus y. Then x minus y cancel. X plus y the whole square. Sorry, x plus y cancel. Again x plus y cancel. That is equal to x square plus xy plus y square divided by 3 into x plus 2y. That's all. Third one, simplify. First subdivision. So here division of two rational expressions. So first step 2a square plus 5a plus 3 divided by 2a square plus 7a plus 6 into division multiplication of convert pannrom. So taking the reciprocal of second fraction minus 5a square minus 35a minus 50 divided by a square plus 6a plus 5. Then 2a square plus 5a plus 3. Factorization of the quadratic equation is 2 3s are 6. Then sum is 5. Then 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3 6. 2 plus 3 5. Divided by 2a. Divided by 2a because right side of a squared is 2. So 2 into 2 cancel. Then a plus 1 into 2a plus 3. Next quadratic equation is 2a square plus 7a plus 6 is equal to 2 6 are 12. That is product. Sum is plus 7. 4 3s are 12. Plus and plus 4 3s are 12. 4 plus 3 7 divided by 2a. Divided by 2a. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Then a plus 2 into 2a plus 3. Next one, minus 5a square minus 35a minus 50. Here taking minus 5 as common. Then minus 5 into a square plus 7a plus 10. Minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. 5 a square, 5 7s are 35, 5 10s are 50. Right. Then 10, sum is 7. 5 2s are 10, plus into plus plus, 5 2s are 10, 5 plus 2, 7 divided by, that's all. Then minus 5 into a plus 5 into a plus 2 divided by a divided by a. The next one, a square plus 6a plus 5 is equal to, then product of two factors are 5, then sum is 6, then 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 5, 5, 1 plus 5, 6, that is equal to a plus 1 into a plus 5, right. Next step, a plus 1 into 2a plus 3, that is 2a square plus 5a plus 3 divided by, then a plus 2 into 2a plus 3 into, then minus 5 into a plus 5 into a plus 2 divided by a plus 1 into a plus 5. Then a plus 1 cancel, a plus 5 cancel, then a plus 2 cancel, and 2a plus 3 plus 3 cancel. That is equal to minus 5. That's all. Next one, second subdivision. Then b square plus 3b minus 28 divided by 3x square plus b square plus 4b plus 4 divide b square minus 49 divided by b square minus 5b minus 14. Then b square plus 3b minus 28 divided by b square plus 4b plus 4. as usual. Then taking the reciprocal of second fraction. Sorry, rational expression minus b square minus 5b minus 14 divided by b square minus 49. Then b square plus 3b minus 28. The next one b square plus 4b plus 4. Then next one b square minus 5b minus 14. Then b square minus 49. Then product of two factors are minus 28. Sum is 3. Then 7 3s are 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. Then 7 minus 4 plus into minus minus 7 4s are 28. 7 minus 4 3 divided by b divided by b. Then b plus 7 into b minus 4. Next one, product of two factors is 4. Then sum also 4. So that is impossible. Then b square plus then possible. Then 2 2s are 2 into 2 4. 2 plus 2 4. Then b plus 2 into b plus 2. Next one, product of two factors are minus 14, sum minus 5. Then 7 2s are 14. So minus 7 plus 2 plus minus into plus minus 7 2s are 14. Minus 7 plus 2 we get minus 5. That is b minus 7 into b plus 2. Next one, b square minus 7 square, that is equal to b plus 7 into b minus 7. A plus b into a minus b. Then last step, then b plus 7 into b minus 4 divided by b plus 2 into b plus 2 into second rational expression. Then b minus 7 into b plus 2 divided by b plus 7 into b minus 7. Then b minus 7 cancel. Then b plus 2 cancel. Then b plus 7 cancel. Therefore b minus 4 divided by b plus 2. That is the answer. That's next one, fourth solution. Then 12d square minus 22d plus 18. Sorry. Here taking 2 as common. Then 2 into 6d square minus 11d plus 4. Then 2 into 6d square 12d square. 2 into minus 11d minus 22d. 2 into 4 8 divided by 3t into 2t square plus 4t divided by 3t square plus 2t minus 8. Then taking reciprocal of second fraction and multiply that concept. Then 2 into 6t square minus 11t plus 4 divided by 3t into, here also taking 2t as common. Then 2t, then t square plus 2. T square plus 2, t plus 2 divided by 3 into t square plus 2t minus 8. Then 6t square minus 11t plus 4. Factorize the quadratic equation. 6 4s are 24. Then sum is minus 11. Find out the factors. Minus 8 minus 3. Minus into minus plus. Minus 8 plus or minus 3 we get minus 11 divided by 6x. 60 divided by 61. 3 is 3 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. Then 3t minus 4 into 2t minus 1. Right. Next one, 3t square plus 2t minus 8 is equal to, then 3 into minus 8 minus 24. Minus 24, sum is 2. 6 4s are 24. 6 into minus 4 plus into minus minus 6 4s are 24. 6 minus 4 2 divided by 3t divided by 3t divided by 3t. 2 3s are 6, 1 3 is 3. Then t plus 2 into 3t minus 4. That is equal to first one 2 into 3t minus 4 into 2t minus 1 divided by then second fraction divided by 3t into 2t into t plus 2 divided by t plus 2 into 3t minus 4. Right. Then t cancel. Then t plus 2 cancel. Then 3t minus 4 cancel. Therefore 2 2s are 4 into 2t minus 1 divided by 3. That's all. If x is equal to a square plus 3a minus 4 divided by 3a square minus 3 and y is equal to a square plus 2a minus 8 divided by 2a square minus 2a minus 4, find the value of x square into y to the power minus 2. Right. Then x is equal to first step xy ரெண்டையும் simplify பண்ணி lowest term கொண்டு வரணும். First a square plus 3a minus 4. Factorize the quadratic equation minus 4 plus 3. Then plus 4 minus 1. Plus into minus minus 4 into 1 4 minus 1 3. That is equal to a square plus 3a minus 4 is equal to a plus 4 into a minus 1. Therefore x is equal to a plus 4 into a minus 1. Numerator find out denominator by here taking 3 as common. 3 into a square minus 1. That is equal to a plus 4 into a minus 1 divided by 3 into a square minus 1 square. 1 square also 1. That is equal to a plus 4 into a minus 1 divided by 3 into a square minus b square formula. Then a plus 1 into a minus 1. That is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then a minus 1 cancel. That is equal to a plus 4 divided by 3 into a plus 1. That is x. Then y is equal to a square plus 2a minus 8 divided by here taking 2 as common. Then a square minus a minus 2. Then a square plus 2a minus 8 is equal to factorize the quadratic equation minus 8. Product of two factors are minus 8. Sum is 2. Then 4 2s are 8. That is 4 into minus 2. Plus into minus minus. 4 2s are 8. 4 minus 2 2. Then a plus 4 into a minus 2. The next one a square minus a minus 2. That is equal to then product of two factors are minus 2. Then sum is minus 1. Then 1 into minus 2 plus into minus minus 1 into 2 1 minus 2 minus 1. That is equal to a plus 1 into a minus 2. Therefore y is equal to a plus 4 into a minus 2 divided by 2 into a plus 1 into a minus 2. Then a minus 2 a minus 2 cancel. Therefore y is equal to a plus 4 divided by 2 into a plus 1. Then x, find the value of x squared y to the power minus 2. That is equal to x squared divided by y squared. X squared divided by y squared. That is formula. So in the denominator y squared numerator convert ஆகிறப்ப power minus 2 ஆக change ஆகும். Then x by y the whole square. That is also formula. Then x a plus 4 divided by a plus 4 divided by 3 into a plus 1 divided by y, a plus 4 divided by 2 into a plus 1, 2 into a plus 1, the whole square. Then a plus 4 divided by 3 into a plus 1 into, taking the reciprocal of second fraction, then 2 into a plus 1 divided by a plus 4. Then a plus 4 cancel, the whole square. Then a plus 4 cancel, then a plus 1 cancel. Therefore 2 by 3 the whole square, that is equal to 4 divided by 9. Therefore x squared y to the power minus 2 is equal to 4 divided by 9. That's all. Next one, fifth sum. If a polynomial p of x is equal to x squared minus 5x minus 14 is divided by another polynomial p of x, we get x minus 7 divided by x plus 2. Then find p of x. Then given p of x divided by q of x is equal to x minus 7 divided by x plus 2. Then p of x squared minus 5x minus 14 divided by q of x is equal to x minus 7 divided by x plus 2. Factorize the quadratic equation x squared minus 5x minus 14. The product of two factors are minus 14. Sum is minus 5. Then minus 7 plus 2. Minus into plus minus, 7 2s are 14. Minus 7 plus 2 we get minus 5. Then x minus 7 into x plus 2 divided by q of x is equal to x minus 7 divided by x plus 2. Then x minus 7 into x plus 2 divided by x minus 7 is equal to q of x divided by x plus 2. Then x minus 7 shift to left hand side, then q of x shift to right hand side. Then x minus 7 cancel. Then x plus 2 the whole square is equal to q of x. That is x plus 2 shift to left hand side. Then q of x is equal to x plus 2 the whole square. That is a plus b the whole square format. Then a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. That is q of x. That's all. Thank you.